In this video, we will discuss the part of speech number 6, preposition. A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They help us understand order, time, connection, and position. Examples are on, above, in, with. प्रीपोजिशन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि एक नाउन और दूसरे शब्दों के बीच एक रिलेशनशिप बनाता है। ये हमें यह समझने में मदद करता है कि किसी नाउन का किसी ऑर्डर, टाइम, कनेक्शन से और पोजीशन से क्या लेना है। जैसे कि ऑन, अबव, इन, विथ। And there are different kind of prepositions. Preposition of time. Preposition of time show the relation of time between the nouns to the other parts of sentence. वो preposition जो noun और time के बीच में क्या कनेक्शन है वो बताता है। जैसे he started working at 10 a.m. So at is a preposition. The company called meeting on 25 October. कंपनी ने 25 अक्टूबर को मीटिंग बुलाई. So on is a preposition of time. Similarly, there is a holiday in December. दिसंबर में एक छुट्टी है. In December, in is a preposition of time. He has been ill since Monday. वह सोमवार से बीमार है. Since is a preposition of time. Then comes the preposition of place and direction. Preposition of place show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other part of sentence. अब preposition of place और direction जो है वो noun का बाकी sentence के जो parts हैं उनसे क्या relation है वो बताता है. Examples are on, it, in, by, from. He is at home. वो कहाँ पर है? He is at home. At is a preposition of place. He came from England. Preposition of direction. Place and direction both. वह इंग्लैंड से आया है. वो कहाँ से आया है? इंग्लैंड से. The police broke into the house. So into is a preposition of place and direction. I live across the river. Preposition of agents or things. Preposition of agents or things indicate a casual relationship between nouns and the other part of sentence. Examples are of, for, by, with, about. So, ये preposition जो noun का किसी चीज से क्या रिलेशन है वो बताता है. दिस आर्टिकल इज अबाउट स्मार्टफोन. ये आर्टिकल स्मार्टफोन के बारे में है. मोस्ट ऑफ द गेस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट. मोस्ट ऑफ ज्यादातर मेहमान जा चुके. आई विल ऑलवेज बी हेयर फॉर यू. फॉर इज अ प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ एजेंट्स. ही इज प्लेइंग विद हिज ब्रदर. विद हिज ब्रदर. Then come phrasal preposition. A phrasal preposition is not a preposition phrase, but they are a combination of two or more words which function as a preposition. Phrasal preposition एक preposition नहीं है लेकिन दो शब्दों का combination है जो preposition की तरह काम करता है. जैसे along with, apart from, because of, by means of, according to, in front of. Example: they along with their children went to Atlanta. Along with, according to the new rules, you are not right. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. I am going out of the city. Out of. So ये phrasal prepositions हैं जो कि दो words होते हैं and they work as a one preposition. So this completes your part of speech number 6, preposition. We will be discussing the next part of speech in our next video.